Today's video is on the top 3 best electric go-karts on Amazon. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Blitzshark Kids Go Kart. Looking for a thrilling go-kart experience for your kids? Blitzshark's newly designed electric go-kart might just be the ride they're dreaming of. With a powerful 24-volt, 300-watt engine and a 7-amp-hour battery, this go-kart delivers a smooth yet exciting drift experience, all within a safe speed of up to 7.5 miles per hour. Plus, it's got 4 silent EVA wheels, which means your child can zip around with minimal noise while having the time of their life. One of the best features of the Blitzshark Go Kart is its ability to grow with your child. Thanks to the 3-level length adjustment, you can easily modify the go-kart's size to match your child's height, making it suitable for kids of various ages. The length adjustment button on the body of the go-kart makes it super simple to switch between the different settings. This means the go-kart can be enjoyed for years, adapting as your child grows. On top of that, the go-kart offers high and low speed settings, along with both sports and drift modes, so you can tailor the ride to your child's skill level or the type of adventure they're craving that day. This go-kart comes with 2 separate pedals for gas and brake, giving kids full control over their ride. Steering is handled by the wheel, while acceleration and braking are simple, thanks to the dual pedal system. When it's time to stop, the brake pedal brings the car to an immediate halt, making it easy and safe for kids to manage. Speaking of safety, the Blitzshark Go Kart is designed with durability and security in mind. It's built with a solid combination of plastic and a steel structure, giving it both strength and flexibility to handle those fun, bumpy rides. An adjustable seatbelt is also included to keep your child snug and secure while they race around. The go-kart can handle a maximum load of 110 pounds, making it sturdy enough for various age groups and sizes. There's even a multifunctional central control system that lets you keep an eye on the remaining battery power, ensuring you'll never be caught off guard when it's time to charge. Plus, your kids can enjoy their favorite songs while riding, thanks to the wireless music player built into the go-kart. As for the specs, the overall size is 46 by 30 by 21 inches. The motor is powered by 2 150-watt 24-volt engines, giving it a speed range of 4 to 7.5 miles per hour. The battery allows for about 1 to 2 hours of playtime, depending on the speed, load, road surface, and even the temperature. All in all, the Blitzshark Go Kart is an exciting and safe ride that your kids won't get enough of. Smash that subscribe button like you're smashing the competition in your go-kart. Number 2. Best overall. Razor Ground Force Electric Go Kart. Looking for an electric go-kart that's all about speed, style, and control? The Ground Force Drifter Fury is your go-to for neighborhood fun. This kart is built for serious drifting on flat surfaces, with a race-tuned chassis and super slick rear wheels designed to give you the ultimate drifting experience. Imagine cruising down the street, pulling off smooth drifts and feeling that adrenaline rush. This kart is made for it. Designed for kids aged 8 and up, the Ground Force Drifter Fury can handle a weight limit of up to 140 pounds, making it great for young thrill seekers. Powered by a 24-volt system, which includes 2 12-volt sealed lead acid rechargeable batteries, this kart offers an impressive battery life of up to 40 minutes. That's more than enough time for some epic drift sessions before you need to plug it back in. And with a max speed of 12 miles per hour, you'll feel the wind in your hair as you cruise around. Just keep in mind that some assembly is required before you can hit the road, but it's well worth the effort. What sets this kart apart is its durability and construction. The frame is made from tough, durable steel, ensuring it can withstand the bumps and knocks of regular use. Its molded aluminum wheels and 4.5-inch tires not only look cool, but also provide great performance on smooth surfaces. But here's the fun part. The Ground Force Drifter Fury comes equipped with a unique spark bar. When it comes to performance, this kart doesn't disappoint. It features a high torque, variable speed, chain-driven motor that delivers powerful acceleration and smooth rides. The thumb trigger acceleration control allows you to adjust your speed effortlessly. So whether you want to cruise slowly or zoom ahead, it's all in your hands. Plus, the hand-operated rear brake gives you maximum control over your drifting, making it easier to navigate tight turns and pull off sharp slides. But it's not just about the thrills. The Ground Force Drifter Fury has been designed with comfort and safety in mind too. The kart's classic low-profile design combines sturdy steel construction with enhanced steering, ensuring you can handle corners and turns smoothly. The bucket-style seat with a shoulder strap keeps you securely in place, even when you're taking sharp turns. As for speed, the high-torque, chain-driven motor can reach up to 12 miles per hour, and the thumb trigger throttle lets you easily switch between speed levels, so you're always in control. Ready to bring home the fun? This kart is perfect for flat trails or zipping around the cul-de-sac. Make sure to follow local laws. Overall, the Ground Force Drifter Fury is a force to be reckoned with, combining speed, control, durability, and a whole lot of fun in one electrifying package. If you're ready to take your drifting skills to the next level, this go-kart has everything you need for an unforgettable ride. Number 1. Our pick. Segway Ninebot Electric Go Kart Pro. Looking for a go-kart that brings the thrill of drifting right to your driveway? The Ninebot Go Kart Pro might be exactly what you're looking for. With its adjustable frame and steering wheel, it's designed to fit riders between 4'5" and 6'3". The high-strength frame can handle up to 220 pounds, and thanks to its high torsional rigidity, it easily absorbs those bumps from the road. Now, if you're a teen between 14 and 18, don't forget you'll need an adult around to supervise while you zoom around. One of the coolest features? The special TPE rear tires. These cutting-edge tires let you drift like a pro. They make cornering at high speeds a breeze and give you full control of the rear end, so you can show off those drifting techniques. The Gokart Pro is modeled after supercars. Its RR design means the engine and rear-wheel drive are both at the back, just like in high-end sports cars. The weight distribution is also spot on with 40% in the front and 60% in the back. And for safety, it's got you covered with 3 layers of TPE impact protection at the front. The steel frame keeps the go-kart shape intact, while the high polymer material absorbs collision impacts. Plus, the outer TPE front lip reduces damage if you bump into something. If you love drifting, you're going to appreciate the manual handbrake. It's perfect for pulling off smooth drifts and also doubles as an emergency brake. Now, if you're wondering why it's a bit more expensive than other options, here's the deal. You're paying for the brand name and the power that comes with it. Ninebot is known for delivering top quality rides, and this one's no different. The Gokart Pro is not only solid in build, but also packs a punch when it comes to speed and performance. Now, here's where things get high-tech. The Segway Ninebot app lets you customize your drifting style. With the Drift Assistant system, you can pre-program the settings depending on your preferences or the road conditions. Since the 2-wheel hub motors connect separately to each rear tire, it makes drifting feel incredibly smooth and professional. Oh, and did I mention the aerodynamic rear wing? It adds extra downforce for stability when you're hitting those high speeds of up to 23 miles per hour. This isn't just a go-kart, it's a full-on drifting machine designed to give you the ultimate racing experience. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.